Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to reset Samsung dishwasher. For that, you will need to follow some steps. First, perform a power reset. This is the simplest and most common way to reset the dishwasher. For that, turn off the dishwasher. Press the power button to turn it off if it is on. Second, unplug the dishwasher. Disconnect it from the power source or turn off the circuit breaker supplying power to the dishwasher. Third, wait for 1 to 5 minutes. This allows the dishwasher's internal memory to clear. Fourth, reconnect the power. Plug the dishwasher back in or turn the circuit breaker back on. Fifth, turn on the dishwasher. Press the power button to restart it. You have another option to reset using the control panel. Some Samsung dishwashers have a reset or cancel button. Check your model's user manual to confirm. For that, locate the reset or cancel button. It may be labeled as reset or cancel button or cancel and drain button. Second, press and hold the button. Hold the button for about 3 seconds or until the dishwasher beep and the display clears. Third, restart the dishwasher. Wait a moment, then start a new cycle. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.